Huawei just dropped the Mate 70 series in late March 2025, and it's ditching Android for good with HarmonyOS next. Sleek, triple camera loaded, and a middle finger to US sanctions, this phone's trending hard on X. Is this the premium mobile phone shakeup we've been waiting for? Let's find out. What's good, tech fam? Welcome back to the channel, your VIP ticket to the wildest tech drops of 2025. Huawei's Mate 70 series is the talk of the town. Launched late March, it's rocking a homegrown HarmonyOS next. A slick design and a camera trio that's got X buzzing. People are calling it a premium contender. Today, we're diving into how this bold move flips the script on US sanctions and what it means for you. Let's jump in. Alright, let's break it down. Late March 2025, Huawei unleashed the Mate 70 series, Mate 70 Pro, Pro Plus, and the flashy RS Ultimate design. No Android here, just HarmonyOS next. Huawei's fully independent OS built from scratch to dodge Google's shadow. X posts are hyped. One user said, Huawei's laughing at sanctions now, while people are drooling over its premium vibes. The design? Think Mate 50 sleek curves reborn, quad curved edges, a 6.7-inch OLED, and a frame that screams luxe. Then there's the triple camera flex, a 50-megapixel main shooter with variable aperture, a 40-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 12-megapixel telephoto. Low-light pictures so crisp, they're trending on X with tags like Mate 70 Magic. Huawei's not playing. This is their boldest Mate yet. Why is this trending? 2 words, Android's out. HarmonyOS Next is Huawei's homegrown beast, 110 million lines of code, 40% faster than the Mate 60, and no Android apps allowed. X users are split. One user said, finally free from Google, while another's like, where's my app stash? Huawei's got 15,000 native apps locked in. WeChat, Alipay, the big hitters, and they're gunning for 100,000 by year end. Sources say it's a premium segment power play and it's all about US sanctions. Since 2019, Huawei's been cut off from Google and top chips, but the Mate 70's Kirin 9100 6nm China-made proves they're thriving. Expos call it sanctions-proof tech, and it's a patriotic flex in China where Huawei's outselling Apple in 2025's first quarter. Let's get real, this thing's a stunner. That triple camera system, variable aperture means pro-level shots day or night. X-testers are posting pictures that slay. The design's lighter, thinner, 3D face unlocks back, and wireless charging is smooth. Battery, 5,300 mAh, 66-watt fast charging. Sources clocked it at 4 hours of gaming, no sweat. But here's the catch. HarmonyOS Next is fresh, so app gaps sting. Think no TikTok unless devs port it fast. Priced at $760 and up, it's cheaper than iPhone 16's $999 in China. But outside, US sanctions mean no stateside drop. Still, X fans say this is the premium future. It's a gamble and Huawei's all in. So what's the vibe? The Mate 70's a sanctions-defying beast. Launched late March, it's already a China hit, and HarmonyOS Next could rewrite mobile rules. For Android loyalists, it's a tease. Sources say it's stealing premium thunder if apps catch up. Imagine a phone that's all Huawei. AI photo edits, gesture controls, no Google leash. X chatter is wild. iPhone 17's got competition. And summer 2025 might bring more HarmonyOS tricks. This isn't just a phone, it's a statement. Are you ready for the revolution? Team Huawei or Team Android? Where are you standing? Drop your take in the comments.